In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft To Do to Windows Startup. Microsoft To Do doesn't include a built-in option to start automatically, but Windows gives us a simple workaround that works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. We're going to place a shortcut in your personal startup folder. Anything inside that folder launches each time you sign in, which is perfect for keeping your task list front and center. Start by opening the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and the R key together. A small box appears, usually at the bottom left of your screen. Type Shell, Startup and press. Enter. This opens your startup folder in File Explorer. Think of this folder as your personal auto start list. Items here apply only to your user account, and Windows will open them every time you log in. Keep that window open. Now, open a second Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R again. In the box, type Shell, Apps folder, and press Enter. You'll see a special view that lists all the apps installed on your PC, including Microsoft Store apps and traditional desktop programs. This is where we'll find Microsoft To Do. Scroll through the list and locate Microsoft To Do. The icons are typically arranged alphabetically, so it should be under M. Once you've found it, make sure both windows are visible, the apps list and the startup folder. Click and drag the Microsoft To Do icon from the apps window into the startup folder window. You're not moving the app itself, you're creating a shortcut, which is exactly what we want. If you see a shortcut icon appear in the startup folder, you're all set. You can now close both windows. The change takes effect the next time you sign in to Windows. When you log in, Microsoft To Do will open automatically, ready to show your tasks without you having to launch it manually. If you decide later that you don't want it starting with Windows, just go back to the startup folder using the same Run command, Shell Startup, and delete the Microsoft To Do shortcut. Removing that shortcut turns off the automatic launch immediately for future sign-ins. That's all it takes. This method is lightweight, doesn't require extra software, and keeps your startup routine consistent. Remember, the fewer apps you load on startup, the faster your PC will feel, so keep your list focused on what you really need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having Microsoft To Do ready the moment you start your day.